Hello guys and good evening. This is Gina with Nailed It DIY Studio Hickory, and I am coming to you live, switching it up a little bit this evening, not from my dining room. So typically it seems these days when I go live that I'm in my dining room, and so today that is a little bit different. I'm actually in what is kind of our little den area here, and I have got some great things that I want to share with you all tonight, because I don't know about you guys, but it is October. And right, so in October, every year I think to myself, gosh, I wish that I could get ahead of my Christmas shopping and get started and be ahead and not be scrambling up until the last minute, pushing almost time to start unwrapping the presents, and I still have gifts to purchase. Are any of you, can you relate to that? If you can relate to that, let me know in the comments, because there's definitely got to be some more of you procrastinators out there, a little bit like I am. But I am so excited to think that this year, look, I've got a plan, right? And I'm going to get ahead of that gift giving game. And so when you think about gift giving and the Christmas season and celebrating and 2020, I mean, I think we could all relate to the fact that we definitely could use some happiness, some cheer, some good reasons to celebrate, right? Because it has definitely been a year. So with all of that being said, I wanted to talk to you guys tonight about some awesome gift ideas to get you thinking and get you started early on your gift giving. So that's what we're going to be talking about tonight. And one of the things that I love so much about what I do and about Nailed It is that we have so many options when you're thinking about DIY and when you're thinking about gift giving that are personalized. And so I'm going to show you a couple of my personal favorites. Okay, so my personal favorites that are personalized. That makes sense, right? So I'm going to show you a couple of my personal favorites just to get you guys thinking, because if you're thinking about who you're giving gifts to this year, your family, your friends, nothing says, hey, I love you and I'm thankful. Oh, hey, Abby, I can't wait to have you back in the studio soon, too. But, you know, when you think about gift giving, nothing says, hey, I love you, family, I love you, friend, I'm thankful that you're in my life, like a gift that you have made yourself. DIY gifts, not only are they something that you can definitely personalize, and I'm going to show you a couple of my faves, but you know, it's that time and that effort, that energy that goes into that gift as well, that carries such a deep meaning with it, and makes that gift that you're giving to your family member, that gift that you're giving to your friend, that gift that you're giving to your child's teachers. And we all know we need to give some good gifts to the teachers this year, right? If any of you watching right now are teachers, or if you're watching the replay in a little bit, I'm sure I can get an amen in the comments if you're a teacher, right? You need a really good gift this year, because it has been a challenge for sure. So I'm going to show you a couple of my personal favorites when we talk about the personalization aspect. So this, you guys can hopefully see this here, this sign right here. This is one of my absolute favorite designs. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer that we have in the studio so you guys can see that. This actually hangs in my foyer, but I took it off the wall so that I could share it with you guys, but it is absolutely one of my favorites. And when you think about beauty, when you think about a gift that really is personal and has such a meaning and significance, this definitely checks off all of those boxes. So this is one of my favorite personalized gifts. So we definitely have those types of personalized options. Oh, that's okay, Abby. I'll see you soon, okay? You guys have a good night. So definitely one of my faves. Now, not only do we have great personalized gifts that you can get and give as gifts to those loved ones and friends, but we also have gift giving that is easy. Yeah, guys, DIY doesn't have to be hard. And we have some great gifts that you guys can give that are super easy, not time consuming at all. You can come in and knock some gifts out really, really fast. So what's one example of what I'm talking about? I'm going to show you guys these. These are our tea towels. Okay, so look at that. So got a thankful kind of more fallish, and this Christmas one. Our tea towels are something that are perfect to give a quick and easy, fast to make. You can come and make tea towels in the studio. I mean, you could make these in like 30 minutes or less, a set of 2. I'm not kidding. You can do that, I promise. But these are great gifts to give to coworkers. You can make 2 of them, give 1 to each coworker, give to your child's teacher. These do come, if you look at some of my social media, there are personalized options for these as well, because you know we love a personalized gift, and who doesn't love something with their name on it? So there are personalized options for these as well, and this makes a great little gift that you can give to someone. Look at how quick and easy this would be. So you come in and make these. You can also buy these in our retail, just FYI. Roll it up, tie a cute ribbon, piece of twine around it. Get a bottle of wine, give it with a bottle of wine. That would be cute. Something that we have in our retail that would be a cute addition to go along with this. Dishwasher magnets. Like, you just don't know how much, I took this off my dishwasher. You just don't know how much I love this little magnet. Turn it, if it's clean, flip it if it's dirty, right? So dishwasher magnet, little tea towel, tie some cute twine, some cute ribbon, stick it in a gift bag, and that is an awesome gift that you can give. That's DIY. It can be personalized. It's special and it's meaningful. People love these. And by the way, guys, yes, this is painted, and yes, you can wash these in your washing machine and they come out perfectly. So great gifts, and these again are relatively inexpensive. 2 gifts you could give to 2 different people, 1 of each of these tea towels for $25, so $12.50 each. That's a great personalized DIY gift. Super easy to do in the studio. Okay, so we have personalized gifts, right? We make it easy for you, and then now let's talk about functional. A lot of our projects that we have in the studio are not just beautiful in terms of design and in terms of how you can personalize with your colors that you love, but they can also be functional. So I'm going to give you an example of one of my favorites that is functional. So I set this up here, and can you guys see this? It is a Lazy Susan. How cool is that? And not only, I'm going to put this up here because not only is this gift functional, this one is also a personalized option. So making a Lazy Susan on one of our rounds, this is a fabulous gift to give during the Christmas season, and something that is so useful. People will use this all year round, and then they're always going to think of you, and they're always going to think of the time and the energy and the effort that you put into making them such a special gift. So this is one of my favorite functional gifts that we have that you can come in the studio and you can make with us. So I wanted to show you that one. Now, I believe DIY is fun, and I believe that, you know, we've got those people on our gift giving list that like fun, that like interactive. So you may have seen this previously, but this is a fun, interactive, and again, personalized. Put that initial on there. Game. This is our ring toss game. So you swing the piece of twine, I guess we'll call that, and it hooks on there. So great gift to come in the studio to make for that person who loves to play games, for that person who likes something that's interactive, and again, it's personalized as well. Now, if you are watching this live, or if you're watching in the replay, okay, and you're thinking to yourself, you know, Gina, those are great. They're perfect. I love them. Hey, Regina, I love them, but I just don't have time. Like, I know you're saying it's October and we've got a chance to have this early start on DIYing all these gifts, but you just don't know my schedule. You just don't know what's on my plate. I don't have time. Okay, so if you are that person, then I have a solution for you as well. Retail. Guys, did you know that in the studio you can come in and you can purchase retail? So I'll tell you a great secret here. Tell your family members, tell your friends, tell your child's teacher, whoever you're giving that gift to, that you made it, and I've got you. I will totally have your back on that. So come in and you can check out our retail section. So I'm going to show you a couple of cool gifts that are in our retail section that are not necessarily things that you're just going to come in and DIY. So they're good, quick grabs, great gifts, fun, easy to give. So here are a couple of things. This right here, guys, is one of my favorites. This is a little picture holder. So we have these in the studio all the time, and this is only 20 bucks. So if you're thinking about gift giving and you've got a budget here, I mean, let's face it, we probably all have budgets. I wish I didn't have to have a budget and I could spend whatever, but reality says we've got a budget, and so this is a great gift. We've got lots of options that are $20 and less. So if you're looking for something that either you just need to add in as a gift to give to someone, or that just needs to be their gift because this is your budget and that's what you've got to spend, this is one of those perfect things because people can look at how cute that is, and it says "My Happy." It's one of my favorites, and I've got this little picture here of sweet little Sophia when she was, I'm going to try to put that in there. Apparently I can't talk and clip at the same time. When she was 18 months old. Is that not precious? So great gift. Stick a picture of yourself. Give it to your parents, right? Put a picture of your kids and give it to the grandparents. They will love this gift. So you can come and pick up things like this in the studio, only 20 bucks. So that's a retail item. Now, I showed you already our little dishwasher magnets, Dirty Clean. You can get that in retail. These are $5. A great little grab and go present. This is a cute one, and I wanted to share this with you because this is something in my retail section. So a little home plank. This is our 18-inch plank, and this, oh, here we go. Look, it Velcros, and it comes with different pieces, so you can change it out. So since we're talking Christmas, I have my pumpkin on there, but since we're talking Christmas, let's put the Christmas tree on there. And isn't that cute? And this is something, again, when you're thinking about giving that DIY gift that someone is going to use all year round, this comes with 5 little pieces. Whoops. There we go. There it is. 5 little pieces that they can change out, use it in their home decor all year round. Okay, so I want to encourage you guys that you can DIY some awesome Christmas gifts. We are here to help you. We make it fun for you guys, so you get a fun experience to come in the studio while you're doing that. We've got personalized options, we have got easy and fast options, and we've got functional options. And then if you just have no time at all, we've got retail. So book your appointment. Can't wait to see you guys in the studio and help you make some awesome and beautiful DIY gifts. So you guys have a great evening, and I will see you in the studio soon.